Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of August 3rd in my planner, and this week I was using a kit from The Giving Girl. So if you'd like to see me pre-plan for this week where I've already laid down the stickers that you're seeing, then I'll have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can check out how I pre-plan. But this is my memory planning where I just go back in day by day and I fill in these little, white spaces that I left in my planner with just like some things that we did during the day or memory keeping kind of. So anyways, that's what this video is going to be. So let's get started with Monday. So for Monday, I didn't really have a lot of room to put anything, but I did need to go ahead and give my son's doctor and my doctor a call because I had some doctor's appointments coming up for the next week, but we ended up like deciding we were going to go out of town. So I needed to call and reschedule those appointments. So I'm going to use one of these really cute transparent dot arrows from the Giving Girl. And then I took a little cell phone sticker from Cozy Paper Co., which is a shop that I PR for. I have all my links to save down in the description for you. And this was, just because I needed to reschedule my doctor's appointments. Also, as a little divider, I'm going to take one of these cute little dashed line dainty bow dividers from Sadies Stickers. And that is it for Monday. Sorry, I'm trying to suppress my yawns because every time I need to do a freaking voiceover, I start yawning. My gratitude for full moon, my gratitude for Monday was the full moon. So that's what I wrote in. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to be taking a transparent dot from this larger like dot sampler from The Giving Girl, and then also a smaller one from a dot sampler, like a transparent freebie from one of my orders, and then a RX pill bottle from Cozy Paper Co. because we had to stop by the pharmacy to get my husband's refills. I'm going to be using a lot of these little transparent dots in this spread, and I'm not mad about it. I love those little dots. They're so cute. Anyways, so we needed to refill my husband's prescription. And then I'm going to be taking my Undo, which is just like this sticker adhesive remover thing, liquid. You can get it at Amazon or Michael's, and I'll have it linked down below with my Amazon link. And that lets you take up your stickers because I needed to move over that sticker for the getting my visor. It was supposed to be ready on Tuesday, but then when I called to ask them about it, they said it wasn't ready. So I just wanted to take it up and move it. So I'm just going to take a couple of like strips of washi from the kit, and then I'm going to layer that with a little chocolate chip cookie, a delicious looking icon doodle from Wild Summer Designs, which is another shop that I PR for. Because my in-laws, it was like National Cookie Day or something like that. So my in-laws were out and about getting cookies for themselves from Crumble Cookie. And they got 20% off, and they brought us some cookies too. So that was very kind. Also on Tuesday, I did wax and tweeze my brows because they were a hot mess. So I'm going to take one of these really cute circular icons for layering from Cozy Paper Co. It's got that little tiny baby heart in it. And then a what'd you call it? Like a little tweezers and eyebrow icon from this like icon sampler sheet from The Giving Girl, just to mark that. And by the way, with the Undo, it just like dries and your paper's totally fine to use and your sticker's totally fine to use. It's really great stuff. So I highly recommend it. So now that the sticker has dried, it does become sticky again. And I'm just going to stick it over on Wednesday because I said that the visor should be here Wednesday. So for those of you who don't know, my car broke down and I had to be in the shop for like 2 weeks. And they were, taking care of it. And then I asked if they could also fix the visors because both of my sun visors were broken. And they offered to do it for free. So that was really nice. But the second visor hadn't come in yet. So I had to come in on Wednesday and get it, taken care of. I wrote that I was grateful for my family on Tuesday, because they brought over those cookies. It was so nice. Anyways, for Wednesday, Cozy Paper Co. did reschedule her $1 Wednesday. She usually has every Wednesday. And I could have used the Undo here, but I just I didn't really want to save the sticker anyway, so I was just trying to rip it up. And because it had been quite a while since I had put that sticker down, it was really stuck really good. And that is one thing, though, is that Undo, it has a harder time on working on stickers that have been stuck there for a while. So you got to be mindful of that. It works best with fresh stickers. But anyway, I just took a rescheduled script from The Giving Girl. They're so pretty. I love that font. Because she's just going to reschedule her $1 Wednesday. And then I took a Nikki squiggle from Colored Daze just to, put a little separation there. Also, my husband and I did a lot of reading because we are starting like a new, well, actually, we were finishing up a series. We just started the new like book, the second book in the series. Anyways, we did finish up the like reading that we've been doing on a Wednesday, and we read 5 chapters, no, 6 chapters on that day. But I just wanted to mark that we did, some reading. So I'm taking a little book icon from a sampler I got from Peanut Butter Taco. And then again, some more of these cute little dot layerings. Um, I think, one is a dot that came, there's like little dots that came in the kit, and those are not transparent. But I thought they would look cute, like layered with, a transparent dot, because they're kind of the same thing with the sparkles, except one's transparent and one's not. I don't know. It's cute. So I did that, and I also layered a little tiny bow from the Giving Girl over the book as well. So just to mark my husband and I, we're reading. We've been reading a lot together with this like huge epic fantasy novel series, and so we have quite a few more like. Sorry, getting interrupted by Siri. We have quite a few more books. I'm saying series, and she thinks I'm saying Siri. It's annoying. So we have quite a few more books to read, but so far we are, chugging our way through. And then I did take care of a few things that were on my weekly to-do list. So I just checked off the masks and rugs since I needed to, wash our masks. And what did I do? Oh yeah, wash our like bath mat rugs and stuff. And I put that I was grateful for my sun visor on Wednesday because it's been so annoying driving without a sun visor in my car because like it's just always the worst time of the day. The sun's right in my face and I can't get the sun out of my face. It's so annoying. So anyways, I'm glad to have those back. Thursday, I'm going to start with another one of those circular layering things from Cozy Paper Co. But I also want to play with a couple more dots from the Giving Girl. So I'm going to take another dot from the kit, and then I'm going to take this like food and like water bowl situation, or food bowl, I don't know, whatever, from Fox and Pip, because I did clean my cat's food and water bowl. So I'm going to take one of those larger dots, and then a dot from the kit, and then one of the smaller dots from the freebie. So I've got my little triple dot trifecta underneath the little heart icon. So cute. Anyways, so we cleaned and watered his, I cleaned in his water and food bowl. That's what I did. Also, I'm just going to mark that I did do a lot of like, gift ordering recently because my mother-in-law's birthday and my son's birthday is coming up. And I need to make sure that those gifts come in on time. So I'm taking a like kind of, third box from the kit, and then a shopping bag icon from Dash with Sun Designs. That's another shop that I PR for. Remember, all these codes are down in the description, so you can get my freebies and save. So yeah, just did a lot of like Amazon shopping and stuff, so that we can get some stuff for my mother-in-law and my son. And then I'm gonna take a pretty like flourish divider thing from Crafts by Thaowie just to kind of like separate those little boxes there, those little areas. And that's it for Thursday. I wrote that I was grateful for finishing our book because, like I said, Wednesday we did a lot of reading, and then Thursday was the day that I finished that series of the Omen Machine with my husband, and so we're starting the second one. Moving on to Friday, I felt like the above the film plan with me area was kind of a, I don't know, awkward space, so I just used one of these like curly arrows from Colored Daze to look cute or whatever. Then I'm going to take a canceled script from the Giving Girl. Again, I love this font because I was supposed to take my son to this, it's like a ceramic painting activity, but we had to reschedule it because we went to Costco to get our phones upgraded. So that's what this little phone icon from Crafts by Thaowie is for. It's really cute. I think it's supposed to be FaceTime, but like whatever. It was multiple phones, so it makes sense. And then that cute heart arrow is from the Giving Girl. And we just took so long. We were there for 4 hours getting all of our phones upgraded. We really just went for one phone, and we ended up getting like all of our phones upgraded. So I had to call them at Costco and be like, oh, hey, I need to reschedule. I'm not going to make it. So, but it's really cool because we got all of our phones upgraded on Friday. And then I wrote that I was grateful for the iPhone 11 Pro Max because that's the phone that we got. So super exciting. So then moving on to Saturday, I needed to redo my nails. I'm just taking one of these cute circle bow accents from the kit, and then I have a nail polish icon and a nails script from Dash with Sun Designs, and that is from my freebie. So that's the freebie you'll get when you use my code or mention my name. that freebie right there that I just showed. So I needed to redo my nails. Um, and I wanted to also do more little dot layerings. So I'm also going to take one of the like kind of medium-sized dots from the larger transparent sampler, and then one of the tiny dots from, you know, the order freebie with the sparkles. I like how the larger freebie is just like basic plain dots, no bows, no nothing, no frills, just a dot, you know. So then it's fun to layer with like a dot with a bow or a dot with sparkles. I don't know. Cute. Anyways, so I needed to do my nails on Saturday. Also, we watched a movie on Netflix, I believe, and it was called like Nija or Nija. I'm not sure how to say it. Sorry. And I wrote that in the half box there because I leave that half box there for like writing in our movies. However, I felt like this was just a little too plain in that half box, so I wanted to add some cute elements to it to make it a little more special. So I'm using a Nikki squiggle from Colored Daze, and then I'm going to take one of these pretty flourish dividers from My New Addiction, and I've been liking lately to cut these in half and then kind of put like one here and one there, and it's just like little swirly lines. I think it's cute. And then I also take these little dangly like stars from this sheet from the Giving Girl where they're like these clipboards, and they're meant for like the Hobo Weeks. But the actual clipboards themselves do make cute additions to like vertical planners like this if you use them. Just as like a little mini box or something. They're so cute. So you can use them, but I don't use them as much. But I definitely use these dangles, as you can see, that come in it. So I like to just take them out and then dangle them from, you know, the half boxes and the weird spaces. They're just perfect because some are long and some are short. And so, like, you know, for those awkward spaces like that, they just fill it in so cute. And then there's these beautiful little tiny cutout stars that come in this little sampler, clear sampler sheet from the kit, just to fill in those other little areas. And I think it looks cute. So if I had one, I would have used like a little popcorn icon because I love like putting a little popcorn icon next to a movie, but I didn't. So anyways, my gratitude that I wrote in was grateful for is free refills. What I mean by that is like free medication refills with my son's insurance. It's so helpful and I'm so grateful for it. And then finally on Sunday, I didn't really have any room to put any memory planning, so I just used one of those pretty flourish things from Crafts by Thaowie. And then the little edit, like right above the edit plan with me script, it just looked a little bare and I wanted to make like a cute little thing there. So I don't know how I feel about it, but it's kind of cute. I just kind of wish I lined the lines up a little straighter. But anyways, I used one of these really dainty star dividers from Sadies Stickers, and I just cut each end and made it like a shorter divider. Again, because it's just like perfect to like kind of fill in these little awkward spaces of white space. And it's not straight, but whatever. Anyways, and then I wrote that, oh, also I had used these little tiny stars over the pre-plan area because I feel like there was also some weird white space that probably those dangly ones wouldn't have been a great fit for. So I'm using some of the stars from, you know, these two sheets of deco stars that I have, and then like any of the stars from like the sampler, the clear sampler sheet that came in the kit work perfectly too. So, you know, just making it a little more cute and sprucing up those weird spaces anywhere I can. Pretty foil. Anyways, and then I also wrote for my gratitude on Saturday, or Sunday, sorry, I was grateful for the food in the fridge because we didn't have to go grocery shopping for next week, which is great because I don't want to buy food and then have it go bad while we're going to be leaving out of town, you know. And I'm just grateful that we have food in the fridge that we can just eat and use leftovers and stuff in the freezer, you know. Then I had this weird little kind of third box down there that I put there and I didn't even know why or what I was going to put in there. So I used it to mark that on 8/6 we finished The Omen Machine, my husband and I, and we've been reading that together. And then on 8/9 we finished season 2 of The Umbrella Academy. Please comment down below and tell me if you're watching that show because it's freaking amazing. Season 2 was like so much better than season 1. I mean, like season 1 was good, don't get me wrong, but like season 2 was like, what? I cannot wait for season 3. Anyways, and then I just checked off a couple more things on my to-do list and kind of like pushed the baseboards forward again because like y'all, I'm never gonna clean these freaking baseboards. I'm just gonna keep putting them on my to-do list over and over and for infinity and beyond. Anyways, here is the completed memory plan with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did because it really helps me out and I appreciate it. Definitely subscribe so that you don't miss any more of my videos since I upload regularly. If you like this, then, you know, make sure you're subscribed. Leave me a comment down below if you have a question or you just want to say hi or you want to talk about the Umbrella Academy. For sure, leave me a comment because I always respond. Hope that y'all take care, stay safe, and have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.